Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So recently my son and I took my Rode VideoMic Go out into the field to test the different settings on it to see what it would sound like in different filming locations. And it looks like my dog is crashing my video right here. But I use a Canon M50 as my main DSLR camera, and I wanted to see what the difference in sounds would be like if we were to use just the camera, the onboard mic on the camera, or if we were to take the mic out into the field and use it as an external mic. So hopefully this video will give you a glimpse of what the VideoMic Go can do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be testing out the Canon M50, and we're doing some audio tests with the VideoMic Go, I think is what it's called, that's attached to the Canon M50 right now. And then we're going to be doing some tests with just the onboard Canon M50. And today I have my sidekick with me right here, my son Cole. You ready to do this, Cole? Alright, so we're going to be doing some different kinds of tests with maybe staying by traffic, maybe being by water, but just all different kinds of different situations and scenarios to see what the differences in the sound are like, to see if it's even worth putting an external mic on here or not. So right now we do have the mic attached to the camera. This is what it sounds like without it. Alright, so this is being in town, walking on a sidewalk with the onboard mic and traffic going by. So let's get a little closer to the traffic using the onboard mic. Whew, it is cold. Alright, so this is the onboard mic with the traffic driving behind me here. It's not real busy, there's a red light going on right now, but we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with the onboard mic and traffic going behind me, and with a little bit of a noise, the in-town noises. This is with the VideoMic Pro attached to the Canon M50. We are recording with the external mic attached in town with traffic all around us, and that guy was revving up his engine behind me, so that would be good to see what that sounds like. Alright, are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just put my hoodie on over my hat.
Because your ears are cold?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so it's a brisk autumn day. Cole is using his skateboard. Alright, this is with the VideoMic Go attached. Alright, do it. Alright, so this is the onboard camera mic. Listen to him come down the sidewalk. Hi there.
Oh, he's just gonna jump right on there.
That's alright.
You still need to do a kickflip.
With the VideoMic Go on. Onboard Canon M50. Alright, we stopped here at a park. It's funny, is that car's on. There's nobody in it. And I don't even see anybody around. Stepping stones.
Fun fact, this, like, in Wyandotte County is where, like, Indians used to be. Well, they put these big old stones here, and that's what the Indians used to get across the river.
Alright, so I'm going to try to get as close to the water sounds as I can, but I'm not going to risk getting out there too far because I don't want to fall in. But this is what it sounds like with water behind me and the Rode mic attached. And this is what it sounds like with the onboard M50 mic and water behind me. Alright, so this is a clip of the Rode VideoMic on inside of a shelter, so it creates a little bit of echoing, so I'm kind of interested to see what the sound difference between this would be. And now with the sound difference with a little bit of echoing using the Canon M50 on board. So yeah, I think it's a good test here. Alright, so this is one of the best parks here in our town because it's so peaceful, it's so quiet. People just come here to walk their dogs, maybe run, jog, ride bikes. But there's not a playground. It's Alright, so this is a pretty good test with some hard light going on and a fountain behind me using the Rode mic hooked up to the camera. Okay, so this is a sound test with the fountain behind me using the onboard mic for the Canon. Sound test now with the Rode VideoMic Go attached into the camera inside of a car. So we're kind of stuffed in here. There's no ambient noise, no outside noises that would affect what this sound test would be like. And this is what it sounds like with the onboard Canon M50 mic. So yeah, I think these are some good sound tests to see what the difference would be in the different types of environments that you would be video recording in and the different types of settings that you would be shooting in.
Hey guys, so my dad went to my grandma's house, so yeah, I don't know what he's doing. My grandma called him, so he's coming back, so Hey!
Hi, was you playing with my camera?
Yeah.
While I was gone?